Out here at the Hot 100, running late, but
of course everybody else is too.
Yeah, there's a mechanic out here in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and it's hilly. Elevation gain is going to be nearly 4,000 for everyone doing 100, which is Evan. I'm going to do 30, maybe 40, but I'm still going to experience some rollers. So yeah. So stay tuned, and we'll take you guys along for the ride. Right into University of Alabama's campus. Yeah. Beautiful, look at that. Catching up to Evan. 23.2, he's actually, I think he's slowing down so I can get on his wheel. I'm gonna get on your wheel. Nice. 21.3. First rest stop, about 15.12 miles, 18.8 average. Here's the rest stop. I'm doing the 40, changed my mind, instead of 30 we're doing 40. He's probably going to do 50. I'm doing 40 because I figure we drove all this way, you know what I mean? Might as well make it worth it. Ferry Bridge. 16.9. 16.8. Yes, sir. 25. definitely a small ring climb. Steep. Short but steep. 8.9. Good. Great training. Yeah. Makes some people unclip, I know. Good job. This ain't an easy one. Yeah. 6.6. Just keep pedaling, baby. That's what you gotta do, man. It's just fitness. And it's good. Good challenge. 6.4. The little engine that could, you know? That was great. Good morning. That was great. Oh, that was good. I loved it. Dude, that was awesome.
I took off because I knew this thing was coming up.
Dude,
quick.
but didn't that feel like Tour de France? Like going, that was a long descent just right there.
That was one of the best yet. Still sweeping turns.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the
sweeping
best.
turns. Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, man.
All right, man. I'll meet you back at the start because we're only doing 10 miles apart. So
right.
We'll have plenty of time.
Yeah. 42.15 miles, 17.6 average, 32 max. 2 hours, 23 minutes. Missed some turn. Thanks. We're here at the Hot 100 ride, and we're with the tent of DCH Encore Sports Medicine. And I'm here in this ice tub, basically ice water now, and it's so hot, but it actually feels really cold, and it feels very much like a cold pool. It's very cold. Do you know about what temperature it is roughly? Or?
We like them about 40, but it's hard to get them that cold out here.
Out here, yeah. Well, I like it though. I mean, I'm kind of like the cold usually is pretty rough for me, but this is good. It feels good. I'm already feeling it, so this is great. This is excellent for a post-ride recovery, and I'm glad you guys are out here providing this. This is actually the first ride or race I've ever actually been in a little makeshift cold pool. I like it. So thank you all for being here, and it's great. All right, so we're here at the 2021 Hot 100, and Max is behind the camera for Trek Bike Shop, which they're awesome. They helped me with my bike. They pumped up the tires, made sure it was running smooth, and it was a great ride. I really enjoyed it. Got this cooling towel on my head because it's the Hot 100 and it's like 110. Actually, I'm probably being modest. It might be like 115 right now with the heat index, but anyway, it's nice to be in the shade. Love this metal. Oh, it's so cool, the colors. It was a brutal ride out there. A little difficult navigating going to the campus of Alabama. There was less signage there, but once we got past that and onto the road, the asphalt, and just out there in country, it was awesome. Climbs were brutal, loved it. Some people actually had to walk their bikes up some of the climbs because it was just really rough. I was in single digits climbing, and then towards that backstretch, you guys saw those little twists and turns. It almost felt like I was in Tour de France, like descending. It was so cool, cornering and stuff. It was awesome. But yeah, it was a great ride, tough ride, but fun. And it was awesome to ride in a new state and get some new terrain. So, thank you guys for coming along. Thank you, Max.
For sure.
Trek Bike Shop, and we'll see you next time.
It was a great course, but I had issues. I was gonna do the Century, but on that first hill, no way, not in this heat, and especially after that first hill, I was like, yeah, there's no way. At like mile 50, 54. I started spewing sealant. I'm like, shit. So I stopped on the side of the road, and of course, you know, the sealant's gonna like seal the tire. Of course, I have a hole in my tire, but it held up for like the next 5 miles until I got to the rest stop. I felt like I was on Tour de France, like abandoning the race. You know, I got in the truck with 2 other guys, and I'm like, yeah, I'm good.
All right, well, with that, we're going to close it off and we're going to sign off, and now we're done. So, awesome job, man. Good ride.